Hi everyone from YouTube. If anybody's got a 2002 to 2000, maybe 7, 8, 9, whatever, they have these windshield wiper motors, and they have different plugins right here. See that? That one's a square one. Mine had this style right there. Can go to eBay and buy a jumper harness, but if you want to save the $70, you're more than welcome to do it this way. And I'm going to show you the wiring right here. That's what I had to do. Sorry about the camera, guys. So if you want to take a look at it, these two right here have to be together for it to have the relay, the timing set on it. That way it goes and stops, goes and stops. If you don't do that, it'll only work on high, on low and very high. So anyways, if you got any questions, post some comments below, and I hope this helps somebody out. Have a good one.